Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a simple website with Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of creating a basic website using Python. We'll use the Flask web framework, which is a lightweight and easy to use framework for building web applications with Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a functional website running locally on your machine. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Step 1. Install Flask. Open a terminal or command prompt and run the following command to install Flask using pip, Python's package installer. Step 2. Create a Flask app. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Inside the project directory, create a file named app.py. This file will contain your Flask application. Step 3. Create templates. Inside your project directory, create a new folder named Templates. This is where Flask will look for HTML templates. Inside the Templates folder, create a file named index.html. Step 4. Run your Flask app. Go back to your terminal or command prompt and run the following command to start your Flask application. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser, and you should see your simple website. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a basic website using Python and Flask. This is just the beginning. You can now explore more features of Flask, such as adding dynamic content, handling forms, and connecting to databases, to build more complex web applications. Flask's documentation, https://flask.polytsprojects.com, is a great resource to learn more about its capabilities. Happy coding! ChatGPT.